Hello, and salutation. The name is Gwenny Pichel. Getting nervous.
No need to get nervous. It's just an X-ray.
Okay. Can you
remove the mask. No, it's okay. It's okay. Just let it there. Open your mouth. Open. Baby, you'll just put it in your teeth. And then you will bite it.
3-5 ba yan, Mama?
Dalawa. 3, 4, at 3, 5.
Oh, you bite it, ha? Babait ba niya, kuya?
Don't move.
Okay. Ayan na.
Oh, open mouth.
Okay. Sige na lang yun. Sandal lang ha.
Sandal lang.
Okay, sandal. Sabi na lang. Okay.
Just lean it.
Don't move. Just lean. Just lean on the wall.
Okay, Burns.
Yeah, just lean on the wall. Do you want us to hold you?
No thanks.
Oh, then you just lean on the wall.
Okay.
Do it yourself. You're a big boy na.
Give me the...
No.
No, honey. Let him be the one.
Lean on the wall.
Lean on the wall first. Lean on the wall. There.
Very good.
Open. A big.
Open a big ah.
A big Don't
Big
move,
ah. Don't just lean on the wall. Ano bang gagawin?
Hindi mo na doon.
Okay, honey.
One.
Color baba yung cone.
Hawakan mo yung bakla din ha. Wait, baby. Sige, go.
Yan. Okay na. Go to the toilet to spit.
Thank you.
Oh, did you see your teeth? That's your teeth.
Yeah.
Look, did you see the chip on this side? Oh, that one. That's the one. That's the one that you did there. The X-ray. So now you understand. Okay, nothing to be scared of. It's not scary at all.
So, paano mo yung inireklamo masakit?
Did before.
What did you did before?
No, not the one that they removed before. Not that pill.
No.
The different one.
It's a pain reliever na.
I drank the pain reliever.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sit down. Show the doctor.
That's a cheap tooth.
Oo. May germs yun. Kailangan natin treat, ha? Mama.
What is not Don't use that.
Naman dalawa pininom natin.
No.
Dalawa tayo.
Parang kalahati yata yung isa.
Tapos, after that, wala pa rin.
Hindi. Dun siya nag-ano.
I want to go to the restroom.
Oo. Parang nakita natin hindi nag-effect yung isa.
Pero pa ba tayo available natin yung
Give me the phone.
Hindi, marami po. Isa na tayo natin.
Oh, pwede rin isa.
I'll be up front.
Total, matabang pwede naman sa bata maliit.
I'm not going to eat candy now. I'm just going to keep my toothpaste at home. Okay, mommy, the gum is yours.
Okay.
The gum is yours.
Inom mo, Libe.
Don't hold it.
Inom, kasi parang di mawala ang inom. Para mawala ang sakit. Okay, some more.
Some more, baby.
Some more. Okay, Messi? Messi?
Ah.
Oh, very good. Okay. Sige, play ka muna.
Play the game.
Galing, di ba? Kaya, kaya. Dapat lang lahat ng pwedeng ipasta na natin. Pasta na natin.
Masabi katabi. Lulot ka na kayo na masakit.
No.
Yeah, feeling.
Pasta lang. Ayun. Yung man nakasira na yun.
Oo.
City yun. Tapos papasta natin sa nerve yun.
Oo.
Kailangan maalis yung nerve nito isa.
Hey,
Oo. Lip.
Yung kanya, yung
watch this. Watch this.
set a carry.
I have to fight it.
Yeah, don't fight the dizziness. Just let it be because that dizziness will bring no pain. Okay? Because do you want to feel the pain? You don't like, right? So that you won't feel the pain.
No. Pagka pinaka-restrain ng kamay niya, ito ang bahala sa paa.
Opo. Actually, ano yung ginawa natin
Hindi na
dati? Yung
i-restrain
kumot.
niya. Tama, i-restrain ko lang kamay.
It's good, baby.
So, okay. Dito sa kanila, convert to.
Stop moving your tongue, ha? Just let it stay. Almost, baby, almost. Oh, there na the feeling. Oh, just don't keep your tongue away from it so it will dry up.
Like me.
They're putting on the feeling for your chipped teeth. There's another one. It's okay. Calm down. Cleaning it up. Done na. Very good. Wow, how many toys do you want? Wow, 4? Oh, almost done. Ay, sweetie, almost done. They're cleaning it na.
Dapat, okay, Donut top. Okay, let's close it. Okay, like that. Okay, very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Wow! Good job. Close ko. Oh, come on.
Close it. Close. Let's close.
Close, Crit. Close.
Okay. Parating mo pa sa loob, ha? Pag ayaw na talaga, palis mo na naman yan. Few minutes.
Just close it, close it.
Okay.
Oh, just sit first, ah.
Relax ka lang muna.
Relax muna. No. Just let it stay.
Bite.
Bite it, bite.
Okay, bite lang, ha? Ganyan lang. Mamaya. Mamaya pa.
Oh, just let it for...
Like this, oh. Hindi. May bayo, ha? Okay, like that. Okay, close it. Close.
Close it.
Yan, ganyan lang. Tulak mo, tulak. Ganun.
Very good.
Very good. Galing.
Diba ganun? Yan.
Oh, there.
Yan, ganyan lang. Pakiati na lang. Yan, ganyan.
Oh, I have to hold it.
Nandilibre na lang sa bahay.
Ano makagat yung
Okay, manipis.
Oh, and don't bite your tongue, ha?
Ganyan lang.
saka yung tama.
Baby, just let it stay.
Hanggang mag-stay natin. Close. Yan lang muna. Hanggang mag-stay natin.
Oh.
Hanggang talaga may okay natin. Okay. Bigyan mo siya malis ng gasa. Para kung po pwede mag-alcohol tapos lagi pakabait mo. Para hindi naman-
Sige. So it will stop bleeding, Sean. Good job.
Kasi very dirty yung ngipin mo eh. May cavity. Kaya
But you know what doctor did? He already
pastahan natin.
put pasta. He already did put pasta.
Okay, wash mo na.
Just sila.